Kia ora, ko Hughes taku ingoa. I whānau mai ai ki Te Puia Springs. I tipu ake au ki roto i Waipiro Bay, me Tokomaru Bay. I tipu ake au ki Te Kōrero i te reo Māori. I'm Pākehā, but only on the outside. Yeah. So I grew up speaking Māori fluently. That was my first language. And then being homeschooled, my mum ran out of the vocabulary to keep up with us. But my dad always spoke Māori to us pretty much up to I was around 16. In Tokomaru Bay, it's about 99% Māori, 1% Pākehā, so we just grew up around people that could speak Māori, and yeah. Yeah, so I mean 250 years on from Captain Cook, I grew up in a Māori environment. I've known nothing else, you know, so race relations, I've never had any issues personally, like being able to speak te reo, being involved with the Māori, you know, going on the marae. My father's been taught at reo schools his whole life, speaks on the marae. I haven't known anything else. I uru au I roto I ngā whakataitai whakakōrero Māori, I toa au I rua ngā taima. One of the ones I won on was aroha, speaking about aroha, like especially in in the old Māori, you know.
How tēnei mea te aroha?
I don't know, I just think it's something that keeps us together, you know. Especially, you know, just the tautoko and the support that people are willing to give, you know. Much more of a collective approach, I find on the Tairāwhiti, you know. People are willing to look after other people a lot more. I think Tairāwhiti is special, I think the culture and the people. Yeah, it's a very much culture of awhi, tautoko and support, yeah. I think they're ready to give the shirts off their back for manuhiri and for the people that live here. So I feel like, you know, despite not being Māori, I feel like I belong in Tokomaru Bay. I feel like the people here have always supported me, always, you know, I feel like this is my kāinga, this is my tūranga waiwa. I work at an accounting firm in Gisborne called Coates Associates, and I work mostly as an auditor. For me, growing up in te reo, growing up around Māori people, it makes it a lot easier, especially in my job, dealing with people, because I deal with a lot of Māori entities, and just having that understanding, you know, how they think, their reo, being able to pronounce words, names correctly, I think that's a big difference as well. Like, I've actually had it said to me a lot of times when I go on the marae and present at AGMs, I'll speak in te reo as much as I can, and I've heard from people in these entities that a lot of the old auditors would butcher their names, you know, lack a bit of understanding for how Māori entities want to run, you know, that there's a lot more of a collective approach, you know, they're not all about making money, it's about supporting the whānau. So I think growing up into old Māori's given me that insight, and I think it is a benefit.